Okay, you guys, welcome to my channel. So I ordered a Baofeng UV-9R Plus from Aliexpress, and well, came in the mail today. Um, let's open up and see what we got here. Someone told me that it's cheaper to ship from China, but only if they do it in like a container like this. Okay. Looks fine. Seem to have cut through the box. Okay. As you guys can see, it's Baofeng. The package is a little dented, but looks good. Okay. I guess this is about 20 centimeters, 20 by 10, something like that. Okay. Oh. That's the antenna. I ordered this one with an extra antenna because somebody told me that the Baofeng antenna doesn't have that much range. So, well, it has a booklet. Okay. I ordered this programming cable. This was the combo, the programming cable and the antenna. Okay, this is the standard Baofeng antenna. Wire plug, it says 0.3 amps. No, that's the input. Output is 500 milliamps. Okay. Nice little clip to put behind and clip your Baofeng to. This is a CD, but I will be using Chirp to program this radio. Okay, this is a lanyard or a cord to strap your Baofeng in. And this is a docking station. So I paid about, let's say, 25 euros for all of this. Let's have a look. Okay, I'm gonna give you a shot. This it says the antenna is a Nagoya antenna, dual band, handheld, 144 megahertz, 2.15 decibels to 430 megahertz and 3.0 decibels with a max power of 10 watts. Okay. Oh, it says this is the 771. Okay, so that's nice. Even got a nice little Nagoya sticker over here. So this is actually what I got. Well, let's first look through this manual. Okay, it's it's in English. It says the radio is IP57. The ad at Aliexpress said 67. Oh, this. Well, I don't know, but like the seller said that they were officially certified um, for Baofeng, or like a company that produces Baofeng for shipping abroad. And well, if I if I look at this, like, look at the box. I mean, first of all, like, okay, it's a bit dented, but like this looks like real. Let me unpackage this. Okay, like that's it says FM 137, no, 136 to 174, and 400 to 520 megahertz. Okay, okay. Let's have a look. I don't know if you can read this. Maybe I need to put it like this. It says Nagoya NA 771. Yeah, yeah, like that. Looks nice. Decent quality. Like, it has a slight little arch, but I think that's just from the packaging. Well, let's unpack the radio. Let's see how this looks. Okay. It looks like there's some plastic to shield the battery from making contact. Can't wait to key this thing up and actually see how it performs. Okay. So what does it say? It says that it's a FM transceiver, UV-9R Plus. It says the power is 18 watts. Okay. It says the power is 18 watts. It has a nice little O-ring there to make sure that it's covered against the water, so moisture can get in the contact place where the battery makes contact with the radio. Um, let's see. It says 136 to 174, and 400 to 520, with a nice little serial number out there. Look, this is for you. Looks nice. Okay, so what does it say on the battery? The battery says it's 800 milliamps, 8,000 milliamps, 7.4 volt. Well, I have a voltmeter, outside. I think I'm gonna take that and check. But it says it's for the UV-9R. Yeah, nice little battery. Okay. Can't wait to fire this thing up. Ooh, does feel rather nice, rather sturdy in my hand. Got, well, doesn't feel super heavy, but like, there's the buttons. Oh, is that? It has two buttons. So it seems like you can double speak with this. So you can like it's it feels like two buttons. So I'm gonna have to check that, but it seems like you can be able to key up and transmit on like two channels because this is a dual band and it has dual watch, but it seems like you can dual transmit too. Okay. There you can see the connector, so let me zoom out a little. Yeah, like that. Like that, yeah. As you guys can see, it's the SMA male connector over there. Okay. I guess I'm gonna go get a voltmeter and check where the battery's at. What power we got here. Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna put it on DC or AC to make sure I'm not gonna short the battery. Okay, nothing's happening. It says like this, so that means like the right side is the plus, but sitting like that, so the left side has got to be the plus. Okay, let's have a look. Hope y'all can see this. 748, 84, 784. Not bad. So it's probably fully charged, or at least to a point that it can function. I guess there's just one more thing to do here. Let's carefully screw on the antenna. Okay, let's have a look.
Channel mode.
Okay. So it's on.
2, 1, 1.
Okay.
Menu.
It's got quite some volume. Take it out. Let's have a look. Nice little flashlight over there. Oh. I'm gonna have some fun with this. Uh, I think I'm gonna read up something, maybe get some channels loaded, and take this outside for a spin and see what we can do. Um, Thank you, and I would appreciate if you would like the video, and well, see you in the next one.